Hi there, welcome back. This week I have created a 3D painting for you. I have also incorporated Meenakari art form of India. This art form I have tried for the first time and enjoyed quite a lot. I hope you liked this week's video. To support my work, please subscribe to my channel and also please don't forget to like and share. And now, let's get started. For this project, I have used air dry clay, mold, glass paints, clay tools, and Tulip metallic gold paint, along with canvas, of course. First step is I drew the picture, enlarged it, and then transferred it on 18 by 24 inches big canvas. First, I painted the elephant with the black acrylic and then went over it with the blue so that the harshness of the black paint will subside. In the material list, I did not mention acrylic paint, but I of course used acrylic paints, the metallic ones and also non-metallic ones. I shaded the picture with the black paint because it gives the dimension to the picture. The blue brush has paint on it and the yellow brush is almost dry, that is used just for shading part. Here I painted the faces and hands of people. And also you would notice that the design on the head of the elephant is gone because I decided to get rid of that. Now it's time to paint people's clothes. Here I painted people's hair and mustaches. I redrew the pleats because they got wiped out due to painting, but we need to see them so we can shade them in a right place. Here I shaded the clothes also for the dimension. First, I cut out the seat piece and the cloth piece from the picture that I had drawn, and then I cut out the same shapes out of clay. I drew the design on the cloth that will go on the back of the elephant. Here I glued the cloth in place. With the help of cookie cutter, I made a design on the borders of the cloth. Here I used the clay tool to make more design. Once I finished the cloth, I started making the seat. I painted the clay part when it was completely dry. For the border of the cloth, I mixed metallic red and the cherry red. To paint the cloth, I used a pearl white color that is kind of shiny, and that's what I wanted. I used a tulip gold to make the lines on the cloth. I painted the flowers on the border with the pearl white. I have used green and red glass paint in this painting. I made this glass paint using colorless glue and few drops of food color. You can also use acrylic colors if you want, but the food color gives it a very concentrated color. In Meenakari art form, you will see the paints that are used, they look transparent. That's why I have used glass paints. Rhinestones are called meenas in Meenakari printing. That's why I used them, and also they look very pretty. Now I have started making jewelry for the elephant. You will see I have used the same tools to make the design on the elephant's jewelry except for her necklace. Tulip gold is also used for jewelry making. Once the clay was dry, I painted the jewelry. To paint the sky, I used pale blue and white. To make the dirt, I mixed shades of brown and yellow. And here's the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye.